Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Free Internship and Courses tutorial. In this video we are going to learn ISRO Free Courses 2026. There we'll get a free certificate in AI/ML, Python and GIS and more. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So enroll in ISRO Free Courses 2026 and earn a free certificate while learning AI/ML, Python, GIS, remote sensing and more. In this video, we'll learn how to access the latest ISRO and IIRS online courses, eligibility, registration process, and certification details. So we'll open the this course calendar. So this is the course calendar. Here you can annual course calendar of IIRS Distance Learning Program 2026. So let me open all. So this is already over. We will go after this. So May, June. This is starting from during June 22 to 26, that is 0 weeks, and this is the 6 to 10, and the online registration last date is June 15 2026. This is also over. Next is the space technology applications. On this is a 1 week course, and November 23 2026, the date of start online registration in November 2026 23rd. And next the AI/ML for the geodata analysis. This is a July 30th, and slot will be the August 3, 2026 to August 14. This is 1 week course, and coordinator you can see there, and there is a email address and phone number is this. So next is the remote sensing at the 12 week course, and August 24 to November 2020 2026, August 3 2026. So next is the remote sensing, and there is a other is AIML, one more. So you can go and choose your which course you want to go for. And there is a, just remember that start date of online registration, so you can get there all the details. And this is the registration link. I will provide you the on the description. So you have to provide all the details and create on registration register. So when you will create, next you will get a select course. On select course you have to select which course you want to. Just remember that each course is already full, or the seat is already full if any term and conditions are there or not. And one more thing is this is the date of starting. So after starting only you will get a this particular course list. So here view the course calendar. So same you will get here, and all the details you can find there, just like space technology 2 week course July 13 to 24, and other courses in September. Month by month in August there is a course remote sensing AML geodata analysis. This is 2 weeks. So same detail you can find here. And main thing I'm going to show you this one, guidelines for the coordinators IIRS as ISRO distance learning program. So go with this detail. So all the details you can find there, and in Hindi also there is a details are available. So you can go through this. And next is the individual registration. So guidelines for the participants. So registration and approval, program mode, ISRO LMS component, and daily quiz participation, course dedication, dedication tracking, and this is the certification and certification access. This will provide by the ISRO LMS learning management system. So ISRO E-class LMS features course guideline, recorded video lecture, attendance tracking, daily quiz, feedback submission, certificate download, and discussion forum. So all the details you can find here. On Hindi also you can get the same detail. So this is the registration, and this is the course calendar. So we have gone through the step-by-step process. So it will provide the free certificate, ISRO IIRS online courses, AI, ML, and Python and GIS training, remote sensing, geospatial data learning, and this is beneficial for the student, professional, and researchers. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the more career and tech videos. Disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. No copyright infringement intended. For copyright concern, you can send me mail on the chiragmahto@gmail.com. You can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box and like, share, and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto official tutorial. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.